I want to end me.
Okay, I haven't filmed a video in a while, so if I'm acting weird, that's why. But today I'm filming a haul because I recently got paid and I just decided to buy myself some stuff. So I have like a whole bunch of stuff right here that I recently bought that I wanted to show you guys. Also, I'm gonna unbox. I've never done like an unboxing. An unboxing of my Polaroid camera that I just got. And then I have some, I'm gonna do that last. So if you guys are here to see the Polaroid unboxing, just skip to the end and like, I'll put in the description when I unbox it, at like what time in the video. We're gonna do that last, but I have some stuff that I recently got at the mall, some stuff I've ordered online, so that's the video. So the first thing, it's pretty old. I recently just got this new bag. It's been like my favorite bag. I've had it for like 2 weeks, but it's here and it's new, so I might as well show you. I do have a what's in my bag coming with this, maybe in like a month or two, since I just recently did a what's in my bag. But I love it. It's by Zara. I got it from Poshmark for like 20 bucks, and it's originally like a $70 bag. So yeah, I love this. I've got some new shoes and they're really cool. They're these Vans and they're just basic skate highs, but they have like red lining, and then they have the, what is this called? Checkered laces. It comes with white ones too, and then it has like little patches, or like they're embroidered in the shoe. And this one's like a dice and flames, and then this one's a clover with flames. I just thought these were so cool, and like I wear like oversized hoodies and t-shirts, so like this with those are just, you know, it would just make my outfit, and they're just really nice. I'm obviously not going to wear these all the time, just for like specific outfits, but they're very cool. Like, just like a shoe no one has, but like also it's like the style of a shoe that like literally everyone has. So I love them, and they were having a sale on shoes at Urban Outfitters, and I think I got these for like, I just kicked myself. I got these for like 40-50 bucks, and I think they're originally 70, so that's cool, and I love these shoes. And then I went to the mall after work yesterday because my bank is right next to the mall, and I was like, you know what, I'm already here, might as well just look around, and I ended up buying some stuff. And it's all in a Forever 21 bag, even though I went to multiple places. And I'm pretty sure I just dropped half of them. Okay. I got 3 things. The first thing, I don't buy clothes myself. What the fuck am I trying to say? I don't know how to talk. I don't buy myself clothes often, so, you know, I don't know. Clothes aren't my thing. Like, I wear basic shit. I wear, like, hoodies, t-shirts, literally all the time. So I got this little top, and okay, but I got this top. It's like a little off-the-shoulder thing, and then, you know, you put your arms through here. I don't know. I got it. It's a black one, and, you know, I thought it would be a cute top, especially since my boobs have been growing. Also, it's gonna be like summer soon, so, you know, I needed a little top like this. And then I also got an oversized t-shirt in the men's section, and it's the Forever 21 Honda collection that they did, and I'm pretty sure Forever 21 Savage was the face of the collection. Anyways, so I got this oversized tee. It just says Honda in the back, and then it says Honda in the front, and then in the back it says Honda, and like a whole bunch of different, like, you know, it's just a t-shirt. I thought it'd be cute with just like some shorts. I can pair it with these, you know. And then the last thing I got, I'm pretty sure, was this little wallet, and I found it at like the little, you know, the cash register, and then these were all their wallets were on sale. And I've been wanting this one specifically for a while. I just felt like I needed a new wallet, so yeah, I got that. And then at Brandy Melville, I got this like little, this ring. It's like a little silver band ring, I guess. Just, I don't know. I've seen a lot of e-boys, e-girls, a lot of Instagram hoes wear these type rings, so I got one. And then also, I got this like star necklace choker vibe thing. My friend has one, my sister has one. And I was like, you know what? I need one. And I have like star earrings. I do have like a star necklace, but it's like one single star. I don't know, I thought it would be cute and just like a little dainty necklace that I can wear. And then the last thing I got at the mall were some eyelashes, and I just got 2 from Morphe. And I got Hollywood Hills and then Sunset Boulevard. And I got Hollywood Hills again because I lost my other pair. I don't know. I just like them. Anyways, now for the unboxing. I'm actually so excited. And I've been like, for the past like 2 weeks, let me open this first. Been like researching like Polaroid cameras and Fujifilm cameras. I just didn't know which one I wanted because they have like different, like, I got an Instax Mini and they have like 3 different types that you can use the Instax Mini film with, and I didn't know which one I wanted. And then I know that I want to get a Instax Square in the near future, so I wanted to just get like a base model Polaroid just to like try it. This is the one I got. It's the, what color is it? Smoky white. And then I got this on Amazon, and I got the this is the film pack, and it has like 60 film in it, and it's cheaper because this was like 30 bucks for 60, and at Urban Outfitters for literally 10 it's like 20 bucks. So let me go let my dog in and then we'll unbox it. Anyways, I was gonna get, I don't know why I picked this one. I just thought like, if I'm gonna get the Instax Mini Square, which does have like a whole bunch of more features than this one's like the basic camera, I guess. I don't know. Anyways, this is the camera. The lighting's terrible. It's just like a gray, it's like a white, but like a little bit like not pure white to the point where it's like gray. And there's only 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 settings. And then, okay, comes with all your instructions and bullshit that no one will ever read. This comes with like the ugliest wrist wrap that goes for my other camera, but that camera broke, so I can just take that strap off, I guess. This is so fun. Okay. And then it comes with your batteries, which I will not know. I don't even know how I'm gonna open this. Actually, I just opened it. Okay, what else does it come with? It comes with the little zoom selfie attachment, which I will probably always forget to use. More instructions. And then it comes with a little sticker. What the fuck? I'm confused. The plus goes here. Pack of 10 film. I feel like fucking, I don't even know what I'm doing actually. So, and you line it with the yellow. And then close it. And then I turn it on. This one. Okay. We're gonna let that develop. These are my pictures. Looks like I don't have a shirt on, but I swear I do. I didn't film an outro, so this is my outro. I hope you guys enjoyed. Whoa! I hope you guys enjoy this vlog. This was a haul video. Anyways, actually, whoa, I'm pretty sure I'm wearing the top that I got in this haul. Anyways, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching.